Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the main flex connector on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the faulty motherboard flakes from the body. First, remove the bottom speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect the two main flex connectors from the charging port board and then disconnect the other end from the logic board. Next, align the new main flex and secure it from both ends. Next, place and secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.